Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating clean diagrams and flowcharts in Goodnotes helps you organize ideas, explain concepts, and make your notes visually powerful. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to draw diagrams and flowcharts in Goodnotes in 2026 clean, structured, and easy to follow. First thing first, choose the right page template. So start with a clean base, like tap in add page, okay. Select grid paper or dots paper, so it helps keep shapes aligned, okay. So you have to choose, for example, we have before last page, okay. So use shapes tool for structure, so to create boxes and elements, draw a rectangle or shape, hold your pen to auto straighten, okay. So for example, any shape, okay. Use for process boxes, decision boxes, labels, so keep shapes consistent in size. You can draw rows and connecting lines, so to connect steps, draw a line between shapes, for example, okay. Any line, okay. Hold to straighten, okay, and add arrowheads manually, so shows flow direction clearly. So add text inside shapes if you want. Select the text tool, okay. Tap inside a near a shape, type your content, okay. It's cleaner than handwriting for diagrams, okay. So keep text short and clear. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.